All right, Hit Parade jersey number 8 for those guys that are never live. I was telling everybody that is live. I'm going to do an order through AJ's. Do it the jerseys like we used to. I don't know if I'll get them by the end of the week. I probably will. Probably just have them FedExed overnight from Canada. And again, that'll be a lot more money. But, you know, it's going to be nothing but filth, MBF. So let's go through the spot owners here. And there'll be Adidas jerseys too, besides maybe some of the old school guys. So we got Anaheim, Ricard K. Arizona, Dan B. 3 and 4, Lars. Who was on Mars. Who's trying to avoid getting SARS. We got 5 and 6, Ricard K. 7, Dan B. 8, Caputo Bobuto. 9, Henry R. 10, Lars. 11, Dan B. 12, Ricard K. 13, Netminder. 14, Dan B. 15, Caputo from the Bronx. 16, Dan B. 17, Miko. 18, Ricard K. 19, Davey. 20, Ricard K. And this is a shocker. 21 and 22, Johnny Tack. Making sure the numbering's right. 23, Te'o. 24, Dan B. 25, Ricard K. Here's where we got a little bit of mix-up. We got 26, Miko. 27, Te'o. 28, Te'o. 29, Oilers, baby. 30, Jimmy H. Alright, so let me go 21 through 30 just to make sure. 21, 22, J-Tac. 23, Te'o. 24, Dan B. 25, Ricard K. 26, Miko. 27, Te'o. 28, Te'o. 29, Davey. And 30, Jimmy H. 9 times was the dice roller. Nine times, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ninth and final time. Here we go. We got Jimmy H on the top spot. The infamous Caputo on the bottom. List was randomized 9 times. Alright, then we got the team owners, or team spots. Let's make sure Vegas is out. 9 times on the teams. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ninth and final. Here we go. We got Carolina on the top, Buffalo on the bottom. List was randomized 9 times. Alright, so we got Ricard K, Carolina, Dan B, Colorado, Lars, Dallas, Lars, Flames, wait, A ended up the same as the list. So I copy and pasted the regular list in there. Here, let me get it out of there. I don't know how you delete these things. Obviously, I don't pack these boxes, David Adams says. I don't know how to work these things very well as far as deleting and all that. I'm sure I could just hit one button or something like that. So again, I don't pack these boxes. They're sealed from David Adams. Alright, let's get the list that we random originally. And you can check this list and line it up on the original video we did. So you can see it's exactly the same way it was. Nothing's changed. I didn't realize I put the original list in there. Alright, let's make sure this is up all the way. And now we'll go through the team owners. Jimmy H, Carolina. Dan B, Colorado. We got Ricard K, Dallas. Johnny Tack, Flames. Te'o, Chicago. Te'o, Jets. Johnny Tack, Minnesota. Dan B, Ducks. Te'o, Ottawa. Card K, Fly. Dan B, Kings. Lars, Columbus. Davey, Isles. Ricard K, Leafs. Ricard K, Wings. We got Miko, Devils. Ricard, Blues. Ricard, Rangers. We got Tampa Bay, Lars. Pittsburgh, Netminder. Ricard K, Bruins. Dan B, Caps. Oilers, Baby Nash. Caputo, Couve. Dan B, MTL. Dan B, Coyotes. Henry R, Florida. Lars going to Sharks. Miko, Edmonton. Buffalo, Caputo. And again, the list we randomized for the left side here is on the video recorded. If anybody wants to double check it, they can. It was exactly the same though, so everything's good there. Let me print this out. And here we go. Alright, let's see what jersey's in here. I think this Series 26 is sold out over there. So that's why I want to get a list with David Adams tomorrow. Get something going. Get some Austin Matthews jerseys. Get some Marners. McDavid's are sold out. They've been sold out. So that's a no-can-do situation. I know they got some Malkins in, I believe. This is 39 out of 100. Got the seal. Alright, let's see what we got. Good luck. We got Favo Corey Crawford for Chicago. Corey Crawford for the Blackhawks. Want some? Come get some. And it is from Fanatics, guys. That is from Fanatics. And it is Adidas. It is the Adidas jersey. How cool is that? It's not too shabby. All right, so Chicago is Te'o, who used to be the ambassador, trying to get the ambassadorship back from Dan B. There we go. All right, congratulations, Te'o, on the Corey Crawford jersey. Get that bad boy sent out, packed, and packed tomorrow, shipped out Tuesday morning. Do appreciate it, guys. I'll definitely get some more jerseys, even if it has to be through AJ's for next weekend, guys. We're going to have to. Oh, is it Team Canada? Want to take a look? Might be Team Canada. It is. Very cool. Very cool. Look at that. Adidas, baby. World Cup. World Cup 2016, guys. Yeah, we'll take it. We'll take this. Not bad at all. Yeah, we'll take this jersey for sure, man. Alright, guys, I appreciate it. We'll get this bad boy uploaded. And we'll see you on the next one. Thank you, everybody.